Watch out! Stay with me now. Come on, faster. We have to keep going. Don't stop. Where's the calf? Get off him! Come on, get off! I won't let you hit him.
What on earth happened?
It was the snake. I tried to stop it from getting to the calf, but look at the size of it. You have to help me. The snake took my bull.
What?
Please, he's heading down that road. Are you okay? What happened?
I'm fine. The car took the impact.
Yes, I need immediate assistance. We crashed the car near the 50-mile marker. I repeat, the car is totaled.
Hello? Wait, slow down. A giant snake is chasing a bull and a runner down the highway.
I need help right now. There's a giant python attacking a man's bull out here. Send police immediately. Help us. They're tracking the runner, the calf, and the bull. A race car driver might be involved, and yes, the giant python is confirmed. Mobilize all units to the desert highway.
The calf, the bull, and the runner are headed for the highway. Mobilize all units now!
Emergency! Everyone, gear up now! Emergency! Emergency!
Confirmed, Sector Gamma 6. Wait, I have visual movement.
It's the runner and the assets. And the snake.
All units, intercept the red sports car and secure the perimeter.
It's real. Deploy the containment team immediately.
All units, massive python confirmed on Route 12. We need air support.
Get Wildlife Division on the line.
Gear up, we're on the clock. That's ready, sir. All teams confirmed. Move. Move! Get the nets ready! Move!
Is that everything?
Yeah, the nets and darts are secure.
Good. We need to catch that calf.
Control, we have eyes on the target. The giant python is heading south on the freeway. All units be advised, the calf is still with the snake. We are approaching the south tower. I need this bridge cleared immediately. This is an emergency.
All units, the target is approximately 5 miles ahead on Route 12.
Copy that, dispatch. We're closing in fast.
License and registration now. What happened here?
We were ambushed by a snake, and then this guy almost ran us over.
A snake in the desert.
Officers, please! It's huge! It's gonna eat my calf!
We've got this, sir. Let's move in.
I see movement near the ridge.
Looks like the bull. Get ready with the nets. Get back! I almost got it! Ugh. Watch out, it's too strong! Officer down! On my count, throw the nets wide!
It's too strong. Watch the horns. Don't let it get to the highway.
Back off, you oversized serpent! It's covered in blue powder, sir.
Never seen anything like it. Get ready to move in.
Go, go, get the net over it! We've got it, pull hard! Watch the head, keep it down.
Careful with that blue one, Johnson. We need a perfect circle.
Got it, ma'am. These things are heavier than they look. All right, the perimeter is secure. All units, deploy the stun bombs now. Do not let it escape.
It's all right, big fella. We're here to help. That was quite the adventure, huh? You're safe now. Shh, it's okay. You're safe now. Nobody's gonna hurt you.
Push from the back. Got him. Steady now, easy boy. We did it. He did it. He really saved them.
I can't believe he's covered in blue powder.
That's my boy. He's quite the hero, isn't he?